There are a bunch of packaged rooftop units and a old green one on top of the Maurice's barbecue over there.
No, it's not Maurice's.
Oh, well, whatever it is.
That's a chicken place.
And they appear to be carriers, and I'm not sure. There's a little green over there. Let's continue with our filming. It's only 20 seconds so far. An Applebee's. There's a couple of condensers. Can't see them because we look up there. Can't see them. What the heck are we doing in here? Holy crap, you can actually get out that through there? Oh, hello, I see something interesting. A box. Right there.
What box?
Right there.
We don't be down there.
Holy crap.
You never went this way?
No. Stay tuned for part 2.